Ladies and gentlemen, the last time we spoke, the ANC had been anticipating the list, the provincial task team of the Eastern Cape. Now it's been almost a week. Today is Thursday, the 21st of May. We are still waiting for a list. I'm gonna recap what has been unfolding for the past week since Saturday. Oko siqhathana. Sixoxa sisithi nansi list. The first name that yathi gqi yavele yathi vumbu bekuthiwe ngubani? Who was the first person? The first person was uBramce, and I was part of that propaganda. I did not know it was propaganda. Ndivile nje ithethwa ezikoleni kuthiwa uBramce Mcebisi Jonas is rumored to be part of the people that are going to take over the Eastern Cape. That was on Sunday. On Sunday, we had Bramce's name, Mcebisi Jonas, who is going to take over the ANC PDT in the Eastern Cape. Then on Monday, Qhaphu igama lika Yangazicina. Uyangazicina abeyiconvener i-NEC yonke izawuvuma. I mean, I feel like he's being parachuted a lot. I love him. He knows. Ndiyamthanda nje as a person. But he's being parachuted in the ANC. He's in the sub-region. For some reason, wenyusela waparachute nakya ekwi-PEC wenziwa uspokesperson. Now he's going to be a convener. Ndazibuza ndathi it doesn't sound true. It wasn't. On Tuesday, silala ngeli sivuke neli. On Tuesday, savuka nelithi uconvener zawangumabo actually no Helen. After uyangazicina ibe nguMcebisi Jonas, yaba nguyangazicina iconvener, yaba ngumabuyane noHelen. Umabu the convener, uHelen the coordinator. That oh okay, interesting. Ndavela ndathi andisabhilivi kwanto ku-Tuesday. Now abantu batyisana iparafini phaa ku-social media, bayavuya baposta umabo, congratulations mabo everyone. I at some point I attempted to be impartial, to be calm, to be neutral, but you know the pressure of wanting to be amongst things, on top of things. Aye andifumana nam at some point kule list. Yabona, we have the fourth list now that is saying the convener is Mabuyane, Mvoko, Nanziwe, Williams, and Helen. Hey, that is the list that is recent, and believe you me, nam ndithathekile kule list. Let me explain what happens kule list. Le list lena is very believable because it's under the letterhead of the ANC, one of the office of the SG's office, Secretary General. It's been signed by Mbalula, so it's genuine. Many newspapers have gotten that correspondence. Bade babhale articles into yokubana ugxothiwe uNgcukaithobi wabuya umabo, so ifaction, le nto ifaction ethile in the ANC has won. I questioned that publication, ndaqomba andiyithembi kodwa le. But when I saw the letter, nam ke ndiye ndathatheka because ndibone signature. But now, that is now today, Thursday the 21st. What I can reliably tell you is that that list is not legitimate. It's a factional list. The ANC does not approve of it. But why is it that kukhona ingxokolo ngale nto yale list? We have received, I've shared it on social media, a voice note from one of the most respectable traditional leaders of the ANC, of the Eastern Cape, zisithi jonga ke NEC ndithethile no Paul Mashatile, ndithethile no president. Anizuyenza into yokubana nizise abantu asingabafuniyo apha, because this ANC ivotelwa ngabantu bethu apha bamemela thina. We are not going to allow you. You are not going to bring people we don't want here. So if you remove Ngcukaithobi, remove Mabuyane, because both of them, the secretary and the chairperson, are both of them a problem here in the Eastern Cape. That is what a viral voice note is saying, coming from the chief going to Nomvula, the deputy secretary of the ANC. Now, between me and you, I want to think that le list yokugqibela inoMabu, noHelen Williams, uNanziwe, noMvoko, is a list that uMbalula wanted, but uye wagrogriswa okanye woyika yamkrweca ANC yathi yena Nantsika, uyaqonda ubana uba sikhe asabamamela abantu sizawuluza ii-elections. Senze uba sizawuluza ii-elections, masimamele abantu Nantsika, masimamele abantu. Wajika uMbalula bethe uyeza e-Eastern Cape Tuesday, wajika kamhle, wajika wathi no ndizawubuyela kuni Tuesday. But ke oko besiqhathana thina sisithi i-list yeyona legitimate le, what, but it is not, it is not. Ndibona inkazana entle ke phaya qhabamba nomntu wakhe. Yamadoda, into endizayithetha kuni yinto yokokubana today the 21st of May is D-Day, where uMbalula is going to, kuthiwa kuthina nena, unaugurated, i-English, he is going to pronounce uba ngubani ozawuba kulaa PTT. Mna nawe nathi sonke apha e-Eastern Cape, we don't know who's going to be in the PTT. So far oko besityisana iparafini, silala ngeli sivuke, since last week silala ngeli sivuke neli. There's no truth in what we've been sharing on social media and everywhere. Besiqhathana, sizawuva yona nyaniso ngoku, and it's not what you have seen. Kuyaliwa kubi kulaa nto, senze uba kubi kulaa nto between me and you. But ke let's wait for 6 o'clock. Ndizawuniphakela sishushu. This is episode number what? I'm gonna start ba ndithi mhlambi welcome to episode number 15. Ne? I'm gonna start doing that. Nizathi niyiqhele wena le nto yale Nantsika yale kuthiwe mandifrequente apha kule nto yale YouTube. Oh, please, okay, that is it from me. Gama lam ndingubhuti ndingunolali weGungqayi. Please don't forget to leave a comment, say something, tell me how to improve this YouTube channel. Do share the link. It's possible. Share the link. It's free of charge. Subscribe, comment, share the link on the YouTube channel. And until next time, sharp.